Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. All right, so we have made it to day 8 and this is my journey through the Flylady's 31 baby steps. I decided to restart this program after starting it and failing miserably 2 years ago. I have made videos where I kind of talk about that. You can find those in my playlist, but we're on day 8 and I'm super excited about it. All right, for day 8, we're going to be talking about our control journal. Now, I showed you, I know this is like really bright. I showed you my control journal, I believe it was on day 4, where we wrote down the one thing that we have for our morning routine and then the one thing that we had for our evening routine. But since then, we have added a few more things. Now, I believe if you look at the Flylady's website, on the day that I had you do that, I mentioned, and she talked about it in her post, but some people are just going to write this down like on a sticky note and post it somewhere because they need it super visible for them. I didn't do it that way because I am a planner person and I don't like having sticky notes around. So if you already have your piece of paper from day 4 where you wrote down your routines, get that back out because we're going to add a few things to it. If you used sticky notes, grab your sticky notes, because we're going to use those and we're going to write those things now in our control journal. Now, don't make this hard or complicated. Just grab, like if you've got an old notebook, maybe you have a 3-ring binder with some just loose paper. Maybe you just have one piece of paper that you can write on and keep up with. Don't make it fancy, don't fuss with it, because this is really going to be a work in progress. We're going to continue to add to this. And maybe when you're all done figuring out your routines and cleaning, you might want to make something a little fancier, but it's not necessary. Don't stress about it. I'm only using this planner because it's something that I already have and something that I already use. All right, so enough about that. Let's talk about what is going to go on our morning routine and our evening routine. All right, so you're going to write down, if you didn't already do this, you're going to write down morning routine at the top of your paper, and then about halfway down, write evening routine. And on mine, I have, for my morning routine, dressed for shoes, and then spend 2 minutes clearing a hot spot. And then for my evening routine, I have shine my sink, 2 minutes clearing a hot spot, and then lay out my clothes for tomorrow. You may notice that I have clear a hot spot for 2 minutes twice. That's because I want to do it twice. I did notice that the Flylady does list it twice also. Y'all, it's 2 minutes. It's real easy to spend 2 minutes cleaning something up real quick in the morning and then again in the evening. A couple of things that she had on the website that she listed under the morning routine, I don't have them listed under mine, but I'm going to go ahead and tell them to you. That way, if it's something that you want to add to yours, you certainly can. But I just want you to remember to keep this really simple. I'm keeping mine as simple as I can. I don't want a bunch of extra things to do that I don't want to do. But like I said, if you want to add these, go ahead and add them. All right, so the other things that she has added that you can add to your control journal on your morning routine if you want to are to look at your posted reminders in the kitchen and bathroom. So if you have your sticky notes up and you still need to continue to look at those, look at them. You might want to make yourself a note to look at them. I don't know, whatever works for you. And then the other thing that she has on there is to read your Flylady emails. That's totally up to you. If you signed up for the emails and they're helpful to you, keep reading them. If not, don't feel like you have to. But there is a lot of good information on her website. All right, the other thing that she has on there is to recognize the negative voices and change them. Now, that's something that we did talk about the other day. If that's something that you struggle with and that you need to remind yourself daily to do, write it down. For me, it just was an extra step that I didn't feel like I needed to write down. But if you're in a place where you need to and it will help you, do it. All right, so we have a couple of things on our morning routine. We have a couple of things on our evening routine, and we're just gonna keep doing our baby steps. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider hitting that red subscribe button down below. Click the bell so that you are notified every time I have a new video going up, and I will see you guys tomorrow.